So now that I've got established the radius or the size or the length of the sound wave, I also have the length of the bullet. So the distance the bullet travels and the distance the sound wave travels. And remember, it's all proportional. So as long as you draw these to the same scale, it's always 2.1176 and so on to 1, then you're always going to get this representation of the shock wave. So all we need to do is draw, here's how I'm going to do this. I'm going to draw a circle with the radius of 1, because that's going to allow me to build the shock wave around that circle. So I'm going to go up to my draw, and I'm going to go ahead and get a circle, and I'm going to use my, let me scroll down here a little bit for you. I'm going to use my ruler here to draw a circle with the radius of 1, and I can kind of drag it over to the 1 and see if that works. Maybe this is a little bit too big, make it a little smaller. So when you are working with this in the class, you'll use a compass. So this is the shock wave I'll draw, and what I'm going to do is I'll use my draw button, essentially my marker here, and I will draw the center of the circle here, and then I will measure 2.117 or 2.12, best I can do here, centimeters away from the center of the circle. So 2.11 out here. Okay, so out here will be right, that little red dot right here. That's going to be where the bullet is. So I'll just draw, that'll be the front of the bullet, and what I'll do is I'll draw the cone. Whoop, that's a bad drawing. I will draw the cone around that as best I can. It doesn't have to be the most perfect representation here. And the key, the most important part, is that work you show, okay? So I would draw the bullet up here, and then I would have the right ratio by doing it this way. So usually the best method here is to set the sound wave distance to 1, and then you can just have an automatic bullet distance scale there, okay? So walk through these videos and use these to help you on the worksheet. And don't forget to have a note card for the quiz if you need one, and a calculator. Thanks, guys.